Hello, welcome back. So this is the logo, and if you scroll down, you'll see that it changes. That's it. It's a really easy to use, straightforward element, and this is all you need to see. So I'll show you how to use it. Okay, so here I have a couple headers. Now the main header, the regular one, is the same, but it doesn't have this little bouncing here arrow there. But I'm just going to add a new header just to show you how this works. Okay, so I'll just name this test and put it on a 404, and let's go edit it. So regularly you would start by adding a header builder and header builder. Now this element only shows when it's able to be added to a header. So sticky logo swap, I'll add that in there. Now, if you do it on a section, it won't work because it's not supposed to be in a section. So it only works in the header builder. Now, you can, of course, choose the regular logo. It shows when it's on top. And we'll choose this guy. All right. And the alternate logo, we'll choose the other one that I have here. It's not the main Cypher logo, but I just have that as well. Just a little gradient there. Now, there we go, all done. Now all we need to do, now this is set up as like a regular image, so you can actually just make it with 100%, max width 200 pixels. That's a little too big. 120 pixels, there we go. And once you start scrolling, you'll see, oh, we need to sticky this, sorry. Enable sticky, and now you get to see, that's not a big change, but you can see it, right? Yeah. All right, so if we want to change that to something else. Now this works well if when you're on sticky, for example, the background style, the sticky style maybe changes to something like that dark color, and then see, there you go. So that works well. I'm very happy with this actually, and I'm probably going to be using it in a lot of my builds because I like sticking the header. I think it's one of the very few elements that really do need to be always on the page. So like that. Okay, so see that? Yeah, very cool. All right. Hope you like it and have fun with it. Bye.